8 Essential Pilates Exercises for Longevity. Strengthen your body with Lotty Campbell Bird. 72 and running strong. How Pilates helped me crush a half marathon injury-free. Pilates lower body workout. 3 expert exercises for stronger legs and glutes. Transform your life with Pilates at 70, a real-life story. Transform your body at 70 plus. How Pilates can boost core strength by 30%. 8 Essential Pilates Exercises for Longevity. Strengthen your body with Lotty Campbell Bird. Imagine a life where your body effortlessly keeps up with your dreams, where picking up a grandchild, gardening for hours, or dancing at a wedding feels natural, not painful. Here's a surprising truth. The secret to this vibrant future might lie in an exercise system often mistaken for just stretching. Pilates, when done right, isn't just about flexibility, it's a blueprint for building a body that defies aging. But here's where it gets intriguing. Not all Pilates exercises are equally powerful for longevity. Lotty Campbell Bird, founder of the Collective Fitness Studio, https://www.collectivefitnessstudio.co.uk, and a Pilates expert with over a decade of experience, has cracked the code. She's identified 8 transformative movements that don't just sculpt your physique, they safeguard your independence, mobility, and vitality for decades. And no, you don't need to be a seasoned athlete to master them. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many dismiss Pilates as too gentle when science increasingly ties musculoskeletal health to a longer lifespan? Buckle up, we are about to challenge everything you thought about staying young at heart and in body. Lotty's philosophy centers on a concept many overlook. Your skeleton isn't just a passive framework, it's a dynamic partner in longevity. Strong muscles, bones, and joints aren't just about looking good in a swimsuit, she insists. They are about living a life where you can hike that mountain trail, play with pets without groaning, or even just tie your shoes without fear of a tweak. Her 8 Pilates exercises target the unsung heroes of aging well: core stability, spinal mobility, and joint resilience. Curious to see them in action? There's a video demonstration above, but don't be fooled by the speed, these movements demand mindfulness. Let's dive into the routine that could redefine your golden years. 1. Controlled spinal bridge Image credit, Getty Images. Focus. Think of this as a spine reboot. It reignites communication between your vertebrae while firing up your glutes and hamstrings. How to: lie on your back with knees bent. Inhale deeply to prepare, then exhale slowly as you peel your spine upward, vert. 72 and running strong. How Pilates helped me crush a half marathon injury-free. Pilates helped a 72-year-old run a half marathon injury-free, thanks to this one move. Pilates has never been more popular, and for good reason. It builds strength, improves posture, mobility, and coordination. But here's where it gets controversial. Can Pilates really help injury-prone runners? Frank, a 72-year-old who started attending his daughter's reformer Pilates studio, says yes. He trained for a race without getting injured for the first time, doing reformer Pilates just once a week for a few months. Camille, his daughter and co-founder of Bodybar, says Pilates is one of the best styles of movement for people in their 60s and 70s, as it keeps the core strong for endurance and balance. Frank used the Pilates Reformer, a piece of equipment that uses a sliding platform and springs for resistance, focusing on stabilization muscles, core, and posture. But you can recreate the benefits without any equipment, using the side lunge exercise. Camille says side lunges strengthen and mobilize the lower body, working the back of the legs, quads, and balance, while stretching the inner thigh. To do a side lunge at home, wear socks on a hard floor or use Pilates sliders. Stand with feet twice shoulder width apart, hands clasped in front of your chest. Bend your right knee and lower to your right, keeping your left leg straight and upper body still. Push through your right foot to almost return to the starting position, then move straight into the next rep. Continue for 60 seconds, then repeat on the other side. And this is the part most people miss. Side lunges challenge your balance on one leg, ensuring you're strengthening both sides of the body. Do you agree with this approach? Let us know in the comments. Pilates lower body workout. 3 expert exercises for stronger legs and glutes. Did you know that maintaining a strong and flexible lower body can significantly improve your mobility as you age? Unfortunately, many of us don't consider this until it's too late. To help you get ahead of the game, I spoke with seasoned Pilates instructor Portia Page to discover her top 3 exercises for a more robust lower body that will keep you moving with ease in your golden years. Portia Page is a fitness professional with over 3 decades of experience in group fitness, and is also a certified Pilates instructor and balanced body educator. She has handpicked these 3 moves to challenge and strengthen your lower body, promoting balance, stability, and mobility. 1. Squat with heel lift. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet wider than hip width apart and your arms relaxed by your sides. Push your hips back and bend your knees to lower your body, reaching your arms out in front of you with your palms facing down. Push through your heels to stand back up, dropping your arms back to your sides. Continue to rise onto your toes and, keeping your arms straight, move your hands just behind your hips. Lower and go straight into the next rep. 2. Bridge with crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor in line with your sit bones, and your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Press into your feet and lift your hips until your body is in a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Lower your hips, then lift your head, chest, and shoulders and one leg, or both legs if you want to make the exercise more challenging, bringing your head and knee towards each other. Look between your thighs and keep your chin away from your chest. Return to the start. 3. Single leg deadlift with row. Stand with your feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward, and your arms by your sides. Hinge forward at the hips, lifting one leg behind you so your body is parallel to the floor with your arms hanging down. Bend your elbows and lift your hands so your upper arms are next to your torso. Pause and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Extend your arms back down. Continue lifting and lowering your arms while maintaining your balance. Now that you have these exercises in your toolkit, you can start building a stronger lower body today. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that focusing solely on lower body strength can lead to imbalances and injuries. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Transform your life with Pilates at 70, a real-life story. Imagine turning back the clock 3 decades at age 72. That's the astonishing reality for one woman who discovered Pilates after a devastating injury. Avril Mohammed, a 72-year-old from Barnet, credits classical reformer Pilates with transforming her life after a torn rotator cuff left her debilitated. But here's where her story challenges conventional thinking. Could a specialized exercise regime truly offer such dramatic rejuvenation? Let's explore her journey. 2 years ago, Avril's world shrank dramatically. Simple acts like sleeping, showering, or pulling up trousers became agonizing ordeals after she tore her right rotator cuff, that crucial network of muscles and tendons stabilizing the shoulder joint, while playing fetch with her daughter's dog in 2021. Even lifting a coffee cup could reduce her to tears, trapping her at home. This wasn't just physical pain, it stole her independence. Before the injury, Avril maintained an impressive 3-decade fitness routine, lifting light weights at the gym 5 to 6 times weekly. That history made her determined to recover. After a month's rest prescribed by doctors, she devoted herself to physiotherapy exercises like resistance band pulls and lateral raises. While these strengthened her shoulder muscles, they didn't eliminate her dependence on maximum daily doses of paracetamol and ibuprofen just to function. The turning point came unexpectedly: a gift voucher from her daughter for classical reformer Pilates sessions at Exhale Pilates London. Skeptical, but hopeful after hearing about Pilates' rehabilitative potential, Avril tried one 50-minute private session. The immediate physical relief was modest, but something profound shifted mentally. A cloud had lifted, as she describes it. That single session convinced her she'd found her recovery path. Progress unfolded gradually but dramatically. After 4 sessions, she could finally lie on her right side. After 1 year, attending twice weekly, pain levels dropped from unbearable to barely 1/10. After 2 years, she declares feeling 30 years younger. Here's the controversial part: Avril attributes her complete recovery exclusively to classical reformer Pilates. She acknowledges the journey wasn't linear. Pushing through pain caused setbacks, while inactivity increased stiffness. Her highly trained instructors, each with 600+ hours of certification, were crucial in finding her sweet spot, modifying movements like overhead arm raises when needed. Today, Avril maintains an active lifestyle. Weekly Pilates sessions, £20 to £30 per class, an investment she calls the best money I've ever spent. Daily 30-minute strength training, squats, sit-ups, planks. Minimum 6,500 daily steps, often with her walking group. Her restored abilities to lift weights, walk freely, and even perform small victories like putting on shoes independently feel like profound gifts. But the benefits extend beyond injury recovery. After 5 years, Avril anticipates discontinuing her blood pressure medication, as readings have significantly improved. At 72, her only supplements are magnesium and vitamin D. While she credits a balanced diet, yogurt or fruit breakfasts, protein shake lunches, fish or rice or vegetable dinners, she insists Pilates delivered unexpected holistic benefits beyond pain relief and muscle strength, vowing to continue as long as I live. Her personal milestones. Favorite exercise: the 100. I never believed I'd be able to do it. Rest day ritual: exploring London on foot with her walking group. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: is Pilates truly this transformative alone? Some experts argue that Avril's prior fitness foundation and disciplined physio routine laid crucial groundwork. Others question the accessibility of £30 sessions for average seniors. What do you think? Could a specialized modality like Pilates deliver such dramatic results independently? Have you experienced similar transformations against the odds? Share your perspectives below. Let's debate what's possible at any age. Bio: Bridie Wilkins, Women's Health UK's fitness director and a qualified yoga teacher, has spent her decade-long journalism career championing women's fitness. After founding Look magazine's health column, she's written for top publications and now leads Women's Health UK's content strategy. Her mission: proving age is no exercise barrier through initiatives like Fit at Any Age. Off-duty, she's testing Pilates studios or sharing workouts on Instagram. Transform your body at 70+. How Pilates can boost core strength by 30%. Imagine regaining strength and mobility you thought were lost forever. At 73, Margaret struggled with simple tasks like picking up her grandchildren without pain. But just 3 months into practicing Pilates twice a week, she experienced a remarkable transformation. Not only could she lift her grandchildren with ease, but she also stood taller and moved with renewed confidence. Her story isn't an anomaly. Research shows that seniors who engage in Pilates twice weekly can boost their core strength by up to 30%, dramatically enhancing their stability and independence. But here's where it gets controversial. Why aren't more doctors recommending Pilates as a key part of aging well? The power of core strength after 70. Think of your core as the central pillar of your body, supporting every movement you make. After the age of 70, maintaining strong core muscles becomes essential for activities we often overlook, like standing up from a chair, maintaining balance, and preventing falls. Dr. Elaine Foster, a geriatric physical therapist, explains it perfectly. The core muscles are the cornerstone of functional independence in aging adults. When these muscles weaken, the risk of falls skyrockets. But Pilates targets the exact stabilizing muscles needed to maintain posture and balance. Let's break down why core strength is so vital for seniors. Improved balance and coordination significantly reduce the risk of falls. This is the part most people miss. Falls are a leading cause of injury and hospitalization among older adults, but strengthening the core can be a game changer. Better posture alleviates back pain and breathing difficulties, making daily life more comfortable. Increased functional strength makes everyday tasks, like carrying groceries or reaching for items, feel effortless again. A gentle yet powerful approach. Unlike high-impact exercises that can strain aging joints, Pilates focuses on controlled, low-impact movements that build strength without causing discomfort. For those with mobility concerns, chair-based Pilates is an excellent starting point, while mat exercises gradually deepen core engagement. Here are some beginner-friendly movements to try. Seated knee lifts paired with focused breathing to activate the core. Modified bridges that target the lower abdominals. Gentle spinal rotations to strengthen the oblique muscles. The magic of Pilates lies in what instructors call finding your powerhouse, engaging the deep abdominal muscles rather than the superficial ones. This mindful approach makes Pilates especially beneficial for older adults rediscovering their core strength. The surprising health benefits. Here's something many seniors don't realize: core strength impacts more than just physical stability. Studies show that stronger core muscles can improve sleep quality by reducing nighttime discomfort and supporting proper breathing. Plus, the mindful breathing practiced in Pilates lowers stress hormones and boosts oxygen flow, leading to better digestion and cognitive function. Many practitioners even report looking younger, as improved posture instantly enhances appearance. Dr. Foster shares an intriguing observation. I've seen countless patients transform, not just physically, but emotionally through consistent Pilates practice. The mind-body connection strengthens alongside the core, creating confidence that extends to all areas of life. Starting your core comeback. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a huge time commitment to get started. Just 10 minutes a day can make a bigger difference than an hour once a week. Consider pairing Pilates with other bone-strengthening activities for a well-rounded fitness routine. Begin with a qualified instructor who understands senior fitness to ensure proper form. Many community centers offer specialized classes, and online options provide added flexibility. The goal isn't perfection, but consistency. Even modified movements produce significant results when done regularly. Remember Margaret's journey when you feel discouraged. Your core muscles are always ready to be reawakened, no matter your age. The stability you build through Pilates can even enhance other activities like walking, creating a positive cycle of strength and mobility. Your strongest years might still be ahead of you. But here's a question to ponder. Why isn't Pilates more widely prescribed for seniors? Should doctors be doing more to promote this low-impact, high-reward exercise? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about aging well. 8 essential Pilates exercises for